In a magical land, far, far away, there lived a kind and gentle woman named Mother Gothel. She was not just any woman, but an enchanted gardener, who tended to the most beautiful and enchanting garden in the world. Every morning, Mother Gothel would wake up with the sun, her eyes twinkling with joy as she stepped out into her garden. The flowers bloomed brighter, the trees swayed gently, and the birds sang melodies that filled the air with sweet music. Mother Gothel loved her garden deeply. She would spend her days nurturing each plant, talking to them as if they were her friends. She knew every flower by name and could sing them lullabies that made them grow stronger. One day, a little girl named Rapunzel wandered into Mother Gothel's garden. Rapunzel was lost and scared, but Mother Gothel saw the fear in her eyes and immediately felt a warmth in her heart. "Don't be afraid, little one," Mother Gothel said, her voice as soft as the wind. "I will help you find your way back home." Rapunzel looked up at Mother Gothel with wide, curious eyes. "You can help me?" she asked, her voice shaking slightly. "Of course, I can," Mother Gothel replied, smiling warmly. "I have a magic of my own. Come, let's find your way back together." And so, Mother Gothel and Rapunzel embarked on a journey through the enchanted garden. They talked and laughed, and Mother Gothel shared stories of her life, her garden, and the magic that filled it. As they walked, Rapunzel's fear slowly began to fade. She found herself feeling safe and cared for, and she felt her heart opening up to the kindness Mother Gothel showed her. Finally, they reached the edge of the garden, and Mother Gothel helped Rapunzel find her way home. Before she left, Rapunzel turned to Mother Gothel and said, "Thank you for helping me. I will never forget you." Mother Gothel smiled, her heart full of joy. "You are always welcome in my garden, Rapunzel. I hope we will meet again soon." From that day on, Rapunzel would visit Mother Gothel's enchanted garden whenever she could. She would learn from Mother Gothel about the magic of kindness, compassion, and the beauty of nature. And Mother Gothel, with her enchanted garden, continued to spread love and joy to all who entered. Her heart was full, and her garden bloomed even more beautifully than ever before. The end.